Hi everyone, Jacob aka Min-Infected Musician here to bring you another painting tutorial. Today I'm going to go through how I do the snow bases on my Space Wolves. And if you have any other products that you like to use to make snow, please let me know in the comments. And well, with no further ado, let's head over to the workbench. So, the first color that I'm going to be using is Astro Granite, which is a technical color from GW Citadel. And I usually just apply it in a sort of an even layer over the entire base. The only thing that you should think about in this stage is to make sure that it is well, covering the entire base, so you go really tight onto to the shoes of the model. And this is how it looks when it is applied and it has dried. So the next thing will be Agrax Earthshade, and it's the same here. I apply it all over the base. And when the Agrax Earthshade has dried, I usually put some static grass on the model just to give it a little extra spice. And in this particular case, I'm using Winter Tufts from the Army Painter. I also like to use their Frozen Tufts for this as well. They are a bit brighter. It almost looks like it's frost in them. But in this case, I'm using the Winter Tuft. And the next color will be Mourne Mountain Snow. I'm not really sure if GW still makes that, this color, but I find it really useful. And what I'm basically doing is that I use this old brush, as you can see. It is almost completely destroyed, but it works well for this thing when I'm doing a technique called stippling. And I'm doing it over the base and also up on the model's feet and his legs here, to make it seem like the snow has caught on to his armor as well, as he has been walking along this snowy field. And when the Mourne Mountain Snow has finally dried, I use Valhallan Blizzard just to cover the base in snow. And this step is, as most other steps, is completely up to you how much snow you want. I usually cover around 80 to 90%, just letting the underlying Astro Granite show through on a couple of small places. And as you can see here, I also put some snow up on his feet and his legs, and also in the static grass to make it look like the snow has fallen on the grass as well. And there we go. So the last thing will be to paint the trim on the base, and I'm using Vallejo Model Color Black for this. And I usually apply this color in 2 coats. And here we can see the finished model, completely finished.